let's get started. So, push back your cuticles, but not until it's painful. Just push them back a little bit because that really gets the look. Cuticle work is super, super important, and it also helps your nails to stay on, meaning helps them not to lift. So start the drill. This is way too high. If it's too loud, you can kind of tell that that's too high. So first thing you do is get really close to your cuticles. So if you can tell, what's happening is there's a little bit of dry skin just coming right off. Hope you can see that really good, because that is really what you're saving your nails from, is that dry skin on the nail plate. You don't want that. But you also don't want a ring of fire, which is often like the indentation in the nail, and that really, really hurts. It'll hurt you or your client. So next, you want to grab the mandrel or sanding band, and you're going to take it over your nail. This one you want to be pretty quiet, not too much of a rattle, because again, you don't want to burn yourself. So get really close to your cuticle and just take the shine off of your nail. That's it, only the shine. You don't need to rough your nail up. You don't really have to go over this too many times, just enough to remove the shine. This is a little louder than what I wanted, but when you're a working professional, you just have to know what you're doing and use as little pressure as possible. Okay, I'm looking at my nails and I'm checking to see if they're still shiny. Nope, not shiny. I'm done. So what you want to do is give them a good scrub so you can really see if you did everything you needed to do. And mine are scrubbed and they're good.